Okay, on the floor here we have the tools that we're going to be using to defrost the refrigerator. We got the clamp to hold, which we will demonstrate how that holds the hair dryer. The hair dryer is set in a we call a tripped position, so it's not really on when you plug it in. The settings for the fan speed or heat is low, and the fan speed is high. So first we would look into our freezer or refrigerator to make sure that it is, make sure that it needs defrosting. This one here is not extremely bad, but you can see from the left-hand side that it needs to be defrosted. So the first thing we would do is turn the freezer to the off position. In some cases you have to take a panel out in other room configurations to pull the plug to turn off the power. But in this case here, it's right in the refrigerator. So once you've determined you're going to need to defrost, you want to remove the trays to allow air to circulate. Set them aside in a safe location. I put the towels in to catch any dripping water. And I'll keep one towel to use as a prop to prop the door open. Setting up the dryer. The dryer needs to be clamped to the door. So the clamp, we pass the clamp through this little convenient ring on the hair dryer, and then we clamp that as so. So air is allowed to be fed into the back but not be blocked, and it allows the air to freely flow into the refrigerator. So I will locate that there. I won't fully close the door because you want to let air to get in and get out. So you just leave a gap. And we plug the hair dryer in. And then we'll reset the GFI. And it turns the hair dryer on. And that normally takes about 20 minutes, depending on how much ice is in it.
How often do you check it?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes in and check, see
Yes.
how it's doing?
Because then what I'll do is there's some ice that will be able to be loosened and taken out in blocks and put in the sink. We use the bar sink. In this case here, it'll be put in the bathroom sink and allow it to melt. Run some water over it, allow it to melt.
We don't chip away the ice. We just take
No.
loose ice and
No.
move it.
I'll demonstrate that now.
Sure.
So now I would check, so I would trip the blower off, I would open up the door, and I would check to see that now I've got some ice that's loose. And I can actually take out that entire chunk and then put that in the sink.
We can turn the water on.
I will. At least the water running. It helps to melt the ice quickly. In fact, I'll leave a little bit of water in the sink.
Is that wasteful to use the water to do it?
No, it actually speeds up the process of melting the ice.
I know, but I'm just wondering if we're using water. Can we just put it in a bucket and leave it until later?
We could. We'd have to manage that with perhaps an extra bucket, or manage the bucket we use for cleaning the shower.
Maybe. Maybe maybe you put it in that bucket, and when you do the shower, just an idea for an improvement.
So this still needs a little bit more melting to dislodge that piece. So close it back up. You could actually go away and let it all melt and let the towels capture the water.
But that just means you have soaking wet towels to deal with later,
Which
right?
have to wring out.
Yeah, they have to wring out. So we could look at, you can either put it in the sink, or you possibly could throw it in your bucket that you use for the bathroom shower.
Correct.
maybe not because you keep tools in there, but putting it in the sink is a good way to do it. Then
Most of the rooms have a bar.
the honor bar,
and
yeah,
that works very well.
awesome. Well, thank you, Lou.
Okay.